Okay, we have a standoff situation here. Felix, the black cat, is very playful. He is only 3 months old, and Roxie, the resident cat, is not having it. He is too playful. He's too young. I know you want to play, but you play with the toys. Don't chase Roxy around. I know. I'll play with you. What? What? Roxy doesn't like to play yet. She doesn't know you well enough. Just 1 week. This is a good progress actually. After 1 week, she tolerates him. It's just that she doesn't want to play. Obviously, I mean, oh, okay. Thank God he is moving away. Usually, she will charge at her, and then she will start hissing. I'm sorry, Roxy. I know you are trying your best to be friendly to him, but he's just too playful. He's still young. You're a good cat, Roxy. You're a good cat. Okay, enough.